6 robots successfully make their way onto the field here for match number 6 as we look to see where these coral land. Successful piece of coral delivered by 10079 Aerodynamics. Red Alliance attempting to score as well. Up goes 360. Several pieces of coral make their way up onto the reef, courtesy of the Red Alliance, just outside of Teleop. I believe that was from Code Purple. Another piece of coral up in the level 4 branches as well. With plenty of coral scoring in autonomous from the Red Alliance, that puts our live score at 46-13 with under 2 minutes left to play. But still plenty of time for either alliance to add to their reef and catch up in the scores. Aerodynamics racing back and forth from the front coral station to the reef as they attempt to now score another piece of coral up on that reef. They're shaking around trying to line it up as they're joined by the Cybears, their alliance partner on the backside. I see some small parts flying around on the backside as Cybears tries to realign that coral in a bit of an awkward position inside of their drivetrain. They spin around and free that piece as they try to reset once again. On the far left side now, the Red Alliance, Code Purple, frees a piece of algae from the reef as their alliance partners attempt to score some additional pieces of coral. 360 trying to reach up once again. Nope, they make their way back towards the front coral station. Now with coral in hand, they reach up and score, I believe, somewhere in the reef, where Robotics does the same as well, and I believe that was level 3. Another piece of algae released from the grasp of the reef. These bright blue scoring elements all across our field. They'll make it an even more difficult challenge for our robots to carefully navigate around to grab pieces of coral and score on their reef. 360 and Royals and Code Purple all attempting to score on the reef. Code Purple, after having successfully scored, makes their way back to the coral station. Now the other two do as well. Actually, 360 makes their way towards the barge for 20 seconds remaining. There's the sonar now as the Revolution attempts to climb. 3393 in a bit of a precarious position here. Unfortunately, not able to fully catch their robot. They're just in front of the red barge station. As these robots attempt to climb, that could prove dangerous. But our buzzer sounds with seemingly no incident. But our referees have the final call. Scores now confirmed from match 6. And back to the shop we go. Red Alliance takes the win in that match with some excellent scoring. A clean, or simple 100-68. Clean match there, and 5 ranking points go to each of those Red Alliance teams. Code Purple moving upwards to rank 17. 360 holding on to the number